Yeah, hi, morning Paul. It's Mark at FMAV. Your long-awaited lasers. Yeah, sorry about the delay. It's just everyone wants everything at Christmas. It's just, I'm finding it really hard at the moment to do it in family life and everything else that's going on at the moment. But anyway, yeah, all done. I'll just finish this one here today for you, just because obviously I want to bench test them properly and everything, and so yeah, basically, yeah, I've given it a clean. I did change one of the cogs on there, just a little bit too loose, so I've done that for you. I'll just start this up. This is one of two lasers, okay, that I'm doing. So I'm going to do you another video, all right? But this is the first one. Let me just turn that up. Yeah, so there's that one working there, so you can see that. Look, there's your laser there. You can see the little tick there. Yeah, it's working. Basically I've had them on while I've been working away here. I can't find any problems with them, except the lasers. But obviously, of course, as you know, if there is any problems, you can always come back to me, and we'll be more than happy to help you in any way we can. So that's laser number one for you. Okay, give me a second and I'll rig the other one up and we'll go from there. There you go. Alright then, Paul, thank you very much, and I look forward to sending these out.